Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 2.2 question number 1. Find the value of the polynomials 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x equal to 0, at x equal to minus 1 and at x equal to 2. Let us find. Let px is equal to 5x. Question number 1. Let px equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. If we find phi 0, then we are getting 5 into 0 minus 4 minus 4 into 0 square plus 3, then we are getting 0 plus 0 plus 3. Therefore, the answer is 3. Therefore, we get P0 is equal to 3, and that is the answer of question number 1. We'll solve question number 2. Question number 2 is if Px is equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3, find p to the power minus 1, p minus 1, then we are getting 5 into minus 1 minus 4 into minus 1 whole square plus 3. Therefore, we are getting minus 5. Minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is again minus 4 plus 3 minus 5 minus 4 plus 3 minus 5 minus 4 is minus 9 plus 3, that is equal to minus 6, and that is the answer, or that is the value. Now, if you solve question number 3, question number 3 is p to the power x is equal to px is equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Find p to the power p 2. You have to put the value of 2 at x. That is 5 into 2 minus 4 into 2 square plus 3. Or we are getting 5 to the 10 minus 2 to the 4, 4 for the 16 plus 3. Or you can write 10 plus 3 minus 16 is equal to 13 minus 16, and get the value of minus 3, and that is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.